Okay, we're going to solve these two equations, and be careful, they look similar and they also contain fractions, so do it carefully. So here's the deal. Right here for the first one, we have 2 over 5 times x, and that's equal to 20. Here's the x, and we have 2 over 5 times x. And this is a fraction, so what we can do is, we can just multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this fraction. This is 2 over 5, so we have to multiply by 5 over 2, okay? So let's do that. Multiply by 5 over 2 right here. And you know you are doing this right because this 2 and that 2 will cancel. This 5 and that 5 will cancel when you multiply them, right? And now we just have to do the same thing right here as well. We multiply by 5 over 2, which is 20. And now, how can we do 5 over 2 times 20? You can put down 20 over 1, and then you can cross-reduce first and then multiply. You see, 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 20 10 times. At the end, you can just do 5 times 10, and that's 50. Final answer, we have x by itself now, and that's equal to 5 times 10, which is the 50 that we get earlier, like this, okay? Earlier, you could have done it as 5 times 20, which is 100, and then divide by 2, and that's still 50. Doesn't matter. Up to you. Let me just write down the 1 in a better place. It's right here. Okay, that's it for the first one. And now for this, it's slightly trickier as well. We have 20y, that's equal to 2 over 5. Here's the y, and this is 2 times y, right? And normally, I will tell you guys to, hey, let's go ahead and divide 20. Or just draw the fraction. But here's the trouble. On the right-hand side, we have a fraction already. I don't want to show you draw like a fraction like this. A fraction over another one. That's no good. So what we can do is the following. You do the same thing as earlier. Earlier we multiply by the reciprocal. We can do the same right here. This is 20. The reciprocal of 20 is 1 over 20. So let's do that. Let's multiply this by 1 over 20. I can still cancel 20 and 20. And now I will just put down 1 over 20 and multiply with 2 over 5. I can still get the work done. On the left hand side, you know it will be y by itself. And this is equal to, now we can cross cancel again. Here's a 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 20 10 times. On the top, this is 1 times 1, which is 1. On the bottom, we have 10 times 5, which is 50. So the answer to this question is y equals to 1 over 50. Okay? And that's it for this.